Go ahead.
Got a what?
Be getting out of the area.
And the victim for the robbery here at Cub Foods GOA.
It's too much open space there for him.
Copy.
Let's go to Pascal and Concordia.
186. Either way, this is going to be our suspect, it sounds like, from the other robbery. So if we can just lock this perimeter down, and then, Mallory, if you need people to meet up with you for a track, let me know.
He's got that one locked down, so let's go over to Pascal.
Yeah, and just to clarify, we're starting at Cubs. That's the last one we've seen.
Stand by.
Yeah, me and 113 are at the suspect vehicle where this attempted robbery happened at Cub Foods.
There's a car up here ahead of us. Oh, there's a car at Pascal. It's good. He's here already.
Very good. Just do the side streets then.
Well, let's assume he didn't get this far, right?
Okay.
You think? Well, if he did, we
10 West 11 and break and start for 1544 Mississippi River Boulevard for DK driver carrying a black BMW that
I
crashed.
suppose it could.
White male driver is in the driver's seat, slumped over. Female is
Maybe
sitting
better
no
is
one
he
there
Hunkered
requesting
down, trying to get the mace out of his face.
Yeah, we'll go back toward Hamlin.
127, clear advice.
So just for proximity, this is the Cub here, folks. And he obviously went this way. You could have got across that freeway, I guess, huh? You'd have to be moving it.
Yep.
Could have carjacked somebody, or he could be right back here. Hunkered down. There he is.
2755, we got him behind. Go.
Wait! Come on right now! I got a gun on you, buddy! Come on out!
2755, go again.
Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Right now! Come there! Hands behind your back!
10
Behind Cub.
squad start behind Cub Foods. 10-1-10-2 for 2755.
Stay right where you're at. Now we're going to talk about that later. Why did she try to get me?
So she thought I was trying to run over on phone, so I asked her, I didn't know where I was going.
Triple one, he's in custody.
111, copy. 1 in custody.
We are code 4, 1 in custody.
1 in custody, canceling 10-1-10-2 at 2302.
Tango arrived. 186, we are code 4 party is in custody. Clear the air if you have it.
Copy, call 4, the air is clear, 2302.
Assuming we can break the perimeter then?
Yeah, it looks like party matches the description as far as all the clothing. I think we're probably good to break it down.
Perimeter can break at 2303.
That's what he said.
How's she trying to stab me? I don't have no gun.
Unsolicited.
Bravo 156 COD.
Have a good night.
172.
172.
Continue from this, put me in a dangerous condition at Maryland and Dale.
Copy.
And 186, if you want to let 280 and 265 know, it looks like we have the victim's keys and vehicle, so whenever they can bring her over here, that'd be great.
Okay.
360 Tango, location update, 7th and Duluth.
Copy.
If you want anyone arriving.
Thank you. Squad 280, did you copy?
Keys and numbers.
West Squad was wondering if either you or 265 can bring your victim to the Kafflooza University. Have her vehicle and her keys.
Yeah, we'll be involved. Thank you.
Copy.
183, can we get medics started out here? Without male conscious breathing. I see medics for upper square.
Requesting medics for what?
He was maced.
Copy.
Good. So, obviously the suspect was hiding behind this dumpster. As Pat and I were checking the perimeter. Squad's had a great perimeter set, so he couldn't really get too far. And
Copy. Code 4.
so,
Alarm company did call back to you.
as we were checking the perimeter, I saw some movement over there behind the first I noticed the snow was disturbed there, you know. So it looked like I could see a little movement. He was trying to move from out of our view, you know, how if you're hiding behind a dumpster.
Hey, 113, take 4.
That could have been a dangerous situation.
13 going for it.
But as it turned out, it was all good.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, it was all good. I suppose we can leave, don't you think?
Yeah.
I don't know. Our work here is done. Gentlemen, always a pleasure. Thank you.
See you, Pat. Love your face.
I miss your face.
So, that's why I say this job goes from total boredom to sudden, whatever you call it, right?
Check that. You got to look at this one.
Stroke of midnight in New York, or what?
That was, I'm sorry, that was more fun than seeing the ball drop in New York.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know if I uttered any swear words, but if I did,
I did.
I did. Within shock and awe policy. So.
Tactical swearing is okay.
Tactical, yep. I'm sure you saw the suspect being escorted to the squad in front of our car. Probably.
36.
So, as soon as he said, you know, first thing he said, unsolicited, he said, that lady tried to stab me. This means you'll have to write a report.
113.
Yes, it does.
113.
We did recover, looks like it's a replica firearm in the vehicle.
I had a feeling it was
There
going to
we
be in
go.
the car.
113 copy.
Very good, very good. Well, they would have found him without us, but it was more exciting that we found him.
Yes, it was.
They would have probably done a canine search back there.